So friends, in this video we are going to discuss about one more strategy that you can use. Suppose if you are creating images and high quality infographics, you are spending your time to create high quality content, but when you will share it on infographic sharing sites or on other platforms, people may steal your images. They may simply download your images and may start using it without your permission. What you can do here is you can simply find such sites which are using your images and you can request them to link back to your site because you are the creator of those images and they have not taken your permissions. You can simply ask them to give you credit and they can place your website link from that page. So suppose I'm giving you an example here. Let's say we are searching for something related to consulting. So suppose we are saving this image just to see the example. And now go to Google and do image search. So click on it, upload image. So I'm uploading the image here, and now you can see that same image is used on these sites. So that same image is used on these sites. Let's open a couple of these. So this was the image and you can see same image here. So in this example I just wanted to show you how can you do image search. So Pixabay was used just to download the image and then we try to find the image. So what you can do, create images, create your infographics, and you can do image search on Google after, let's say, after every 30 days, after every couple of months, and you can try to find out sites which are using your images. And if they have not given you credit for that image, you can simply request them to give the credit, and when they will give you the credit, they will simply place your link, website link, and you will get a backlink from that particular source. So this is also very powerful. You should try to use that image reverse image search link building strategy. So that's all I wanted to share in this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.